In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Facebook web address or Facebook URL of your own Facebook profile or of Facebook profiles of any other users or Facebook pages. This method works in the same way on the iOS and Android devices, so make sure you watch this video to the very end. So guys, let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, make sure you are signed into your Facebook account, and if you would like to get Facebook web address for your own Facebook profile, first of all, tap at that icon to go to your Facebook profile page. And once you are at your Facebook profile page, all you have to do is just tap at this three dots button and then scroll down to the very bottom, where you can easily find your profile link. Here it is, that is my actually Facebook profile link, and from here we can easily copy that link to the clipboard by tapping at that button. Now it says profile link copied. After that we can go to some messenger or any social media platform, it doesn't matter, just go to the place where you would like to share it or save it. Just to demonstrate you how it works, I'm gonna open up Notes app, and then in that simple way we can paste the URL we copied. In the same way, or in the similar way, we can copy the URL of any Facebook profile page or page. To do that, just go to someone's user's profile or to Facebook page, tap at these three dots, and then we can easily copy the user's Facebook profile page link in the same way. And in the same way, obviously, we can paste this link anywhere we would like to share or save it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.